Hi everyone, it's me again, Yulie, your HIPAA certified medical virtual assistant, social media marketing specialist and content creator. Today, I'm going to share with you guys how you can apply on Saibervet, which is now called SaiberAssist. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys my experience when I applied in Saibervet, the updates, yung experience ko din with their hiring process. Now, if you're planning to apply in Saibervet, I highly suggest you watch up until the end of the video because I'll be sharing with you guys the salary, the benefits, and yung how many days or months yung hihintayin mo bago ka magka-client.
If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and click that notification bell para kapag may bagong videos ako, ikaw yung unang makakakita.
All I can say is that Saiber is still a baby company. Expect updates from time to time. If you happen to, see this video like 2 years after, 3 years after, always do your recent research. Don't rely in one source, ask around. So be proactive. When I applied in Saibervet, buntis pa ako noon, and I think that was year 2022. Very unusual yung way of application nila. Hindi siya katulad sa mga na-experience ko with other outsourcing companies na talagang may online form kang fill upan. Noon, magsaset ka ng schedule agad, interview schedule with the COO. Dali lang ng process, ikaw lang yung magsaset ng schedule, tapos may ma-receive kang email. Akala ko nga noon, hindi siya, legit, and wala akong masyadong nakikitang parang reviews. But nag-go pa rin ako, sinubukan ko pa rin, at until the time na interview date ko na, nakausap ko yung COO, akala ko nga Pinoy yung interview sa akin, but hindi pala. I gave her my best answers. After the interview, sinabi niya agad na nakapasa ako. Training ako for the following week. Naka-receive agad ako ng email with yung date ng training. Now, my experience before with the training, compared to other outsourcing companies na na-experience ko, super easy going lang yung training. Before, it's only 1 week. But today, the update is that 2 weeks paid training na siya, $3.5 per hour. But, makukuha mo lang yun if may client ka na, 1 month ka na with your client. Let's talk about the salary. The salary before, may experience ka man o wala, $7.5 per hour siya. But ngayon, naiba na siya. Depende na siya sa experience mo. The salary would range, $6 per hour to $7.5 per hour. And yung benefits ni Saiber, yung training lang nila na paid, na 2 weeks paid training. Now, let's talk about the updated qualifications na hinahanap nila, and this will also include the technical requirements. You should have a medical degree or a degree related to healthcare, like of those allied healthcare professionals, and or a US healthcare experience. BPO, CPO na nag-handle ng healthcare account, yung ginagawa is pre-authorizations. We consider those as US healthcare experience. A strong communication skills, typing speed of at least 50 words per minute if may experience ka. If wala ka talagang experience, at least 60 words per minute. Now, with the technical requirements, dapat siya i5 with 8 gigabytes of RAM and an internet speed of at least 100 Mbps. So, the most awaited question, ilang days, ilang months yung, hihintayin mo bago ka magka-client. So, based on my experience, take note may experience na ako as a medical VA. 5 years experience na. And I also have roughly 5 years experience working in a clinical setting. Before, ako talaga yung namili. Kasi my goal ko before is gusto ko talagang mag-breastfeed sa baby ko. Before kasi pwede kang mamili, but now hindi na. Puros hindi ako napili kasi yun nga, dinisclose ko na gusto kong mag-breastfeeding. If pwede, may mini breaks ba para mag-breastfeed. Yung hinahanap ng mga client is live subscriber. So, imposible siya. Especially kapag madaming patients. Nagtaka sila, bakit palaging, decline or reject ang profile ko. Kasi yun nga pala, ayaw ko muna mag-live subscribe. So, pinaulit lang akong gumawa ng resume kasi may template resume sila. parang profile nila sa company. Pinatanggal yung live scribe. Pati din sa intro video ko, pinatanggal yung live scribe para yung kukuha na client, puros admin task. So, after na-change lahat, yung resume, yung intro video, agad ako, nagka-client interview. Dinisclose ko talaga na gusto ko mag-breastfeeding. Na-hire ako. Yun na yung client ko ngayon na more than 1 year na kami. So, the range is, kung ilang weeks ako bago nagka-client, I think 3 weeks siya. May na-receive akong mga messages from the newly batch na wala talagang experience clinical at VA. Ang tagal nilang naghintay, yung iba 2 months. Pinakamatagal na nalaman ko is 3 months. So you know what guys, if wala ka talagang experience like clinical, VA, don't focus on one company. Search for other companies, you know. I have other video here na sinabi ko yung mga other outsourcing companies na nag-accept na medical professionals with no experience. Try those other companies. Don't waste your time. You know, while waiting ka with Saibervet, be open with the other companies. And para, you know, there's high chance of getting a client.
If you think that you are ready to apply on Saiber, here's the step-by-step process on how. Before, ikaw yung pipili ng interview date mo. But ngayon,
now, the update is that may online form ka nang fill upan. Now, in applying, all you have to do is go to the website, SaiberAssist.com. Masi-search nyo pa rin yung Saibervet, but yung makikita mong parang URL is SaiberAssist na. And scroll down mo lang sa pinaka-bottom part ng webpage at may makikita kang join our team at i-click mo yon.
examine first what are needed for the application, read, understand, and follow instructions in applying. Here, you need your tailored resume. If you think na hindi pa ready yung resume mo,
if you don't know how to tailor your resume, I have one video here on my YouTube channel on how you can create or tailor your resume. If you're interested to watch, just click the icon on top of my screen
and save your resume in PDF or Microsoft Word format. As you can see, it is also indicated here that a medical degree is required or a degree related to healthcare. Make it sure that it is indicated in your resume, and if you have a US healthcare experience, make sure that you showcase that as well. A 1-minute intro video is needed as well in this application. Please follow the instruction not to use animation or background music in your intro video.
And if you don't know how to create an intro video for your application, I just recently uploaded a video teaching you guys how you can create an intro video for your applications. If you're interested to watch, just click the icon on top of my screen.
And please save your video in a standard format. Now, a typing speed is required for this application. If you have experience, a minimum of 50 words per minute. If you do not have experience, a minimum of 60 words per minute. Now, if you think na hindi mo pa na-reach yung required words per minute mo, you always have the option to practice. Make sure na you practice it on Monkey Type. My goal before is to be consistent with my 60 words per minute, but hindi na ako nakapractice masyado. So, nasa 50-55 lang yung words per minute ko. Coming from someone na may experience as a live scriber, dapat higit pa doon, and with the accuracy of 100%. There are other apps where you can practice your typing skill. Like for example, Typing Master Pro. Doon ako nag-practice before and very effective siya sa akin. Now, the last part. This is always optional. You have the option to put my name here. You also have the option not to put my name here. Leave it blank or put an A. If you think you're finished, click submit.
And if you are worried of your upcoming interview, or if you don't know how to prepare for your upcoming interview, I also have a video here sharing you guys the tips, tricks, and hacks on how you can pass your online job interview. If you have specific questions regarding Saiber, just leave a comment below because I will do a Q&A on my next video. If you want to become a medical VA, and you don't know how to start, where to apply, I also have a complete playlist here on my YouTube channel discussing about how to become a medical VA, my experience, where to apply, and etc. I think that will be all for this video. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, click that notification bell para kapag may bagong videos ako, ikaw yung unang makakakita. Bye, sweetlings. Take care.
Please do not forget to follow my other social media pages, and for you to get a chance to be featured on my next video, please leave a comment below for your questions and suggestions. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and see you guys on my next video. Bye, sweetlings. Take care.